At the conclusion of Color Week, it's only fitting to find ourselves at the end of the rainbow. This one all made from candy. Becky Low is here to share how it's done. What is this made from? It's pretty cool to look at.
Jolly Ranchers.
Jolly Ranchers.
That's it. You know, you could do any kind of hardtack candy with it, but Jolly Ranchers already has the color with it.
Yeah.
Now, I have to admit that I don't have a yellow in there. That yellowish is actually green. That's the sour apple. And there's not a lot of those in the package, and so I had to get extra in order to make it.
Just to get the green?
Yeah, yeah.
It's a conspiracy. Why are they depriving us of green apple?
I don't know.
Come on, Jolly Ranchers.
All right, let me show you how to do this. This is actually so easy, so you could do it right there on that one too. Okay, just a strip of foil. It's basically about 7 inches by 3 inches. Make a little lip on the edge of it. And then what we're doing is you want to have about 4 or 5, line them up. Oops, there's a broken one. Okay, so in your rainbow colors, put a purple and then a blue. Okay, and then a green. I'm going to grab one of your greens that are already in there.
I guess. I mean, they're
and then a pink or a red.
Commodity, I understand.
And there's a cherry and watermelon, and I like the watermelon a little bit better because it's a little lighter. I'm going to put mine on yours. Oh, well, you know what? You can eat those. That's why you do it like this, so that you can eat them. All right, so you're putting 5 or 6 down. Okay. Okay, and you just kind of keep lining them up, and you also want them to touch. Oh. Okay, just basically touch.
Oh, you do want them to touch.
Yep. Okay. Then you, and you know that's good enough to show what we want to. Okay, so we want a little lip there so it doesn't run off, and so we're going to bend that lip up. Okay, and one right here too.
Kids will get a kick out of this.
Oh, absolutely. You need to do this with Emmy.
She'd love it.
She will love it. All right, I'm going to actually transfer that onto the cookie sheet.
Okay.
Okay, and this goes in the oven, 300 degrees for about 7 to 8 minutes.
Okay.
Should we see if one's ready?
Yeah, you've got one for us.
Okay,
I think your hot pads are right there.
Okay. And we'll see if this is almost ready, but we can show you with it anyway. Okay. Okay, so 300 degrees. Oh, it's not quite because it's not quite melted together, but you want to completely melt that.
And then what?
Okay, then grab some paper towel roll or anything that's round with it. Pick that up. You can see it's soft. Put it over the edge.
Okay, so we want this a little more melty.
Yep. You can see this one that's already done.
Yeah.
Okay, then just wrap it over and let it cool.
How long does it take to harden up?
You know, I wanted to hurry, so I stuck it in the fridge.
Good job.
And it's just hardened up. Okay, another thing too is that it does have a tendency to run, and so you have this puddle. You can see the puddle on my first one that I had tried. Okay, so at this one, while it was still puddling, I just took a pair of scissors and it was still warm, and I just
trimmed
that off. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. I understand we can credit Erin Bakes Cakes for this original idea, but thanks for bringing it to our studio for Color Week, Becky. That was really fun.